What is up, everybody? So I am getting ready to get this day started. I'm gonna be going to Daikoku tonight, but first I want to eat because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. I've been in the hotel room just working on business stuff, all that stuff. But yeah, Daikoku is the move. What's gonna happen tonight? I think there's gonna be a lot of great cars. This is what, Saturday night? So usually it's pretty packed. So I'm looking forward to being a jam-packed one. I haven't been to a crazy packed one in a while. I'm thinking tonight will be it. I'm thinking there are gonna be a lot of GT-Rs tonight for sure because it's ours day tomorrow. So I'm actually looking forward to seeing this Daikoku tonight to see kind of what shows up. It should be pretty cool. It should be a lot of Skylines, 35s, everything. So it'll be fun. It'll be a really good time. But first off, it's time to warm up my R34 and get rolling and go find some food. Daikoku. I'm actually
Your destination is on the right.
I'm not here to stay here for a long time, but there's cars here, so I might end up staying here for a long time. I don't know. I'm hungry. Jeez, I didn't realize people got here this early just to hang out. Holy moly! It's always cool coming to Daikoku. I don't really ever come during the day, hardly ever. It's always at night, and even during the day, there's cars. I mean, it's just nuts. Just absolutely nuts. Look at that McLaren. Wow. Some GT-Rs here. Of course, is going to be packed with Skylines due to R's Day. This is cool. Good old Daikoku. All right. Let me scoop in here. We got some gems out here, some beauties. There's a 33 GT-R right here, looking good. Look at that Liberty Walk Challenger. Bayside blue R34 GT-R. This thing looks nice. Very, very nice. We got some other cool stuff, some S15s and Soras and all that over there. And some other wide body cars. You got a BRZ, FRS, whatever you want to call it. AE, or not AE, I'm sorry. GR86s over here. S15. Looking really, really good. This thing is cool. This thing is super sick. Holy moly. This is a beautiful S15. Like very clean, which is kind of nice. Look at that. This thing is definitely hopped up. Looking golden. This thing is sick. And it has it's swapped. Motor swapped. Wow, this thing is sick. This thing is super, super nice. Dang. What a beauty. Oh, you got an NSX over there. Gotta go check it out. Show some love to the NSX gang. Look at that thing. Very, well, the body is stock, but no crazy like aero. Besides, it looks like a diffuser or whatever. Exhaust system, nice wheels, all that stuff. Oh, look at the front. I love that hood. This thing is sick. I like it. Definitely a nice little look for NSX. I like it. I like it. Look at this animate out 350Z. Check that thing out. Looking good. Oh, look at this. There's an FD RX-7 rolling up, but also this Lotus Elise or Exige or whatever it is. I don't know. This thing looks really cool too as well. Nice little gem. Yeah, just roaming around. I mean, not a ton of cars here right now, but there's some. Let's go check out this McLaren. That thing is hot. Hot pink. Yeah, this thing is cool. Always gotta show love to the McLarens. Man, love this diffuser on the rear. I don't know if that's like stock or what. But anyways, this color is cool. It's unique. Not something I would personally do, but it's still unique. It stands out. I mean, you can't miss this car. Like once you see it, you cannot miss it at all. Looks very, very good. FD RX-7. This car is so long. McLarens. I love the McLarens. They're nice. They're cool. Cool cars. Porsche something. Looks good. Maybe GT4. I don't know. I don't know all the Porsches like that, but it looks good. Got a Camaro. Got to show love to the Chevy gang. Chevy gang. And let's see what else we got going on here. Oh, let me not get ran over by anyone. Oh, of course, you got my beautiful R34 GT-R. over here checking out close and personal this S15. This thing is absolutely nuts. Wide body kit. I've never seen this kit before on this. I mean, this thing is crazy. Huge spacers, obviously, because it's such a wide body kit. It's hard to find wheels for a decent price that's gonna work on this. So you gotta use spacers to make up. But man, this thing is crazy. Now, is it a kit I would necessarily go with? I don't know. I don't know if this is really my style, but it's still cool and unique. It's definitely unique for sure. This person spent some money on this kit. It's a crazy, crazy kit. So I just got over here to 8-Pit Auto Box. I need to get my car washed real quick, clean off any dirt, try and get this thing all nice before I go to Daikoku and R's Day. I saw a couple R35 GT-Rs in here. Maybe they were doing the same or thinking the same. Dirty car is now clean car. Yeah, I love coming to 8-Pit Auto Box. This place is awesome. I mean, it's like a car guy heaven inside as far as parts and things you need for your vehicle for maintenance stuff, even performance parts. I mean, it's, imagine like a really, really cool Pep Boys, like a legit Pep Boys, not like a bunch of cheap stuff, but like super, super legit. Like that's what this place is about. And they have these bays here where you can wash your car, clean your car. It's good. I mean, it's just like a car guy place. And I wish they had one of these in the US. I think it would do really, really well. Not like, you don't need a bunch of them, but like just one, and like it's somewhere in Southern California, I feel like it would do really, really amazing. But anyways, car's all clean now. Now it's time to, I might grab like a drink or something in there real quick, and then head to wherever I'm heading to, Daikoku. Alrighty, rolling back on Daikoku again. It started sprinkling a little bit. It was kind of weird. Not like hard, but a little bit. That's kind of weird. It did not have any kind of weather in the forecast, and man, this place is gonna be packed. I mean, usually I don't have a line coming in here like this, so yeah, I'm just peeking. Oh yeah, it's packed. Oh yeah, pretty decently packed. There's some spots, but yeah, we're back at Daikoku. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's good. What cool cars are here. Let's see if my theory of a lot of GT-Rs will be here. Yeah, it's definitely sprinkling a little bit. Like not hard, but enough where I need to put on a jacket because I'm not trying to get sick. Because it's like a little chilly outside right now and a little bit of sprinkly. Alright, so I'm back here at Daikoku at night, and it's a little bit misty out here. I did not expect any kind of weather, but the weather is here. There's my beautiful R34 GT-R. Just gonna walk through so you can all check out kind of all the cool things here. Look at this little interesting GTT right here, multicolored. Another GTT, and then another GT 4-door one. You got a Ferrari, that's 488, I believe, 488, can't remember. You got an RX-7, you got another Ferrari. Right here looking cool and crispy. We got some Hondas right there. This is Daikoku, baby. Daikoku is the meat of meats. It happens every single night here in Japan. Now, is it this packed every night? Nope. But it gets around, you know. Every night you're gonna see some cool stuff, some cool builds. I'm just gonna walk around and show you kind of what's here. American cars, JDM cars, you name it. Oh, one of those Skylines just left, I heard it. Sounding good. You got an Aston Martin right there. Looking good. You got a Toyota Truno, and then you got some Chasers over here. Really like these Chasers for drifting. They're fun vehicles. Camaros, so that, you know, a little bit of the American muscle out here. Some more Chasers and all that stuff. One of my favorites, C7 Z06, or is it a Grand Sport? I don't know. That's one of them. Looking good. Let's keep walking down these rows. So many amazing vehicles here at Daikoku. A lot of great builds, cool vehicles. Very well lit area. Cool place for a meet. It's not an organized meet. People just show up. It's like this unwritten rule. Oh, this is a midnight purple R33 GT-R. Just an unwritten thing. You just show up. That's it. Everybody knows that on any given night, you can just show up here, park, and chill. And on weekend nights, it's a lot more people coming. You know, during the normal weeknights, it's, you know, half full or so, you know, but it's still cool. On any given night, if you just want to come chill and meet car people or just hang out, get some pictures here, you can. Like, that's the cool thing about this place. You got a little wide body action going right here. R35 wide body. Thing is interesting little build. They're all packed in the vehicle right there. That thing is sick. It's a cool build. I'm not a huge fan on the wide body stuff as far as like the 35 GT-Rs. I think they look great the way they are. Just do some other little things to them. Some cars are great with wide body, but not those. I just always love the lighting here in Daikoku. Like, I mean, just look at this. Look at the scene. People coming to enjoy cars. Once again, this is not an organized meet. It's not like there's a flyer saying, hey, come to the whatever Daikoku meet. No. It's just people just show up. Like, that's the cool thing about this place. That's why I love coming. There's a lot of American muscle here. You got Challengers, Barracudas, stuff like that today, which is cool. I haven't seen any of these ones here before on my past visits, but it's cool to kind of check them out and see that you got the classic American muscle here. Another R35 GT-R right here. Big Wang Gang. I think it's cool. That's a funky build. Look at this thing. Looking sick. Oh, let me not get ran over. Honda. Really cool, interesting stuff here. Look at this GTT. It sounds good. Nice, deep sounding exhaust. I love it. Oh, look at this 35. This thing is race car-ish. This thing is cool. Miata. This thing is cool. It's just tatted up. It's not like any crazy wide body or anything like that. It's just tatted up with a lot of race-inspired logos. Hopefully these people are giving this person money. They must do some type of like time attack or some type of like, you know, amateur track day stuff where, I don't know. But this thing is tatted up. It makes it look cool and interesting though. But hopefully this person actually races it and tracks it. There's a few cars here like that. I'm sure they'll be going to R's Day tomorrow. Keep on walking. Let's check out some other stuff here. That's there. I love that GTT, the sound. It sounds good. I wonder if it's still RB25. Another R35 GT-R right here. And another wide body R35 GT-R right here. Liberty Walk. Look at this thing. Liberty Walk kit. Ooh. I like the color scheme on it too. The silver and black. Big wing, chassis mounted, everything. This is the way to go right here. And then you got a Lancia right there. Pretty little Lancia. Look at that thing. There's one at Space Auto that's yellow, and that thing is sick. This is the first one in the wild I've seen. I like this. Very, very cool. Got a cool RX-7 FD. Walk around. There's so many cars here, man. Hopefully my battery on my phone doesn't run out. Checking out all these vehicles here. Usually I don't have to walk all these lanes like this, but here today I will. Really, really cool stuff. This is my workout for today. Just gonna be walking around, getting a lot of cool cars. Mark V Supra, some other stuff. I'm not gonna really give too much attention to the normal basic stuff that's here, but you know, try to find the cooler stuff we don't see a lot of in the US. All right, let's keep roaming this way. This is a beautiful little thing. I've seen this here before. This is clean. Like probably like the cleanest one I've ever seen. Or one of them. Alrighty. A lot of people out today. A lot of cameras. A lot of everything. I've been here before with a lot of people. But I feel like there's more cameras today than normal. All right, let's roam over here. Let's hear this noise. I don't see anything else special on that end. Let's walk through here. Yeah, this is cool. Good stuff today. Really good stuff. All right, so Daikoku is over. A lot of sick cars here. Albo's here. He has his S2000 right here. Beautiful, beautiful car. Absolutely love this thing. Super sick. But we're gonna go grab some food. It's gonna be my dinner now because I already ate my lunch super late. Now I'm eating dinner at normal dinner time. So gonna hop in the GT-R. Gonna roll over to this Korean barbecue place, grab some stuff. The reason why we're leaving Daikoku is because the police are kicking everybody out. It happens. When there gets to be too many people here and there's too many people walking around, they just kick everybody out. But anyways, it's been fun. Look at this GTT. This thing is so clean. I've seen this before at some meets. This thing is freaking sick. Super sick. One of the cleanest GTTs out there. Honestly, hands down. This thing is awesome. To a Korean barbecue to grab some food. Yeah, what he said. All right, the night is over. Food was great. Getting ready to roll out. Big day tomorrow. Ours meeting at Fuji Speedway. Should be good. Looking forward to it. Should be fun. There'll be a lot of GTRs out there. But anyways, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I am out.